In 2000, the US Department of Defense published a manual known as DoD IT Certification and Accreditation Process Manual, which is also abbreviated as DITSCAP. Now, this manual narrated four security modes of operations in which an information system may deploy in any of these security modes once it is part of MAC environment or mandatory access control environment. So the information systems of Department of Defense may deploy in any of these four security modes of operations, which I will explain in this video. Now this is the DITSCAP manual which I have talked earlier. So these are the four security modes of operations in which an information system may get deployed in any of these four security modes. So there are certain administrative security controls or administrative security requirements and also the technical security requirements with each of these four security modes. So once you go down from dedicated security mode towards the multi-level security mode, the administrative security requirements decreases. And once you move up from multi-level towards the dedicated security mode, then the technical security requirements are more. That is, in multi-level security mode, the administrative security requirements are lesser and the technical requirements are more. And in dedicated security mode, the administrative security requirements are more and technical requirements are less. Now these administrative and technical requirements are these requirements, that is the classification of the data and security clearance of the subject who wants to access our data, and either the subject has signed non-disclosure agreement with regards to the information which are processed by the system which is deployed in any of these four security modes, and either the subject access to the information processed by the system in any of these security mode is approved by the management, and also the need to know, that the person has a need to know the specific information in order to complete his task while it is operating a system which is deployed in any of these four security modes. So the system of Department of Defense may get deployed in any of these four security modes, but in general these four security modes are important to understand from security aspect. So once we talk about the classification of data, then in dedicated security mode, the dedicated security mode systems can process or should process the data at only a single classification level. So there are around 4 to 5 classification level as per US Department of Defense, that starts from top secret, then confidential, and then unclassified, and there is sensitive as well, which is above, which is between unclassified information and the confidential information. So these five classification level of US Department of Defense, but the dedicated system can get deployed or may process the data of a single classification level, either it is top secret or so on. Whereas the system which may get deployed in system high, compartmented or multi-level security mode can process the data at multiple classification level. Now once we talk about the security clearance of the subject, then in dedicated and system high mode, the subject should have the security clearance for all the information or the data which is processed by the system. And in compartmented, the subject should have clearance to the most restrictive data. That is, for example, if a system is processing the multiple security classification data, for example from unclassified towards top secret, then the subject should have the clearance of top secret in order to access this data or this information system. Whereas in multi-level security mode, the subject should have clearances for only the data or the information which he has to access, not all other classification level. So once we talk about signed NDA, so in dedicated and system high security mode, just the case which was there in security class clearance, the subject should have signed NDA for all the informations processed by dedicated and the system high security mode. So if a system is deployed in dedicated mode or in system high mode, then the subject who wants to use this system should have signed NDA for all the information processed by that system. And if a system get deployed in compartmented and multi-level security mode, then the individual should have signed NDA for the information only he wants to access. So once we talk about access approval by the management, then in dedicated and system high security mode, the subject should have access approval for all the information, whereas in compartmented and multi-level, the subject should have access approval for the information he wants to access. Once we talk about need to know, then in dedicated security mode, the person should need to know all the information which is processed by the system, because in dedicated security mode the system can only process the data at a single classification level. Therefore the subject should have clearance for all the information. Whereas in all other three security modes, the subject should have need to know only the information he wants to access, not all the information. So once you see the dedicated security mode, then the administrative requirements are more, because you have to administratively ensure that no other classification data should be entered into the system. And once you move towards multi-level, then there are more technical control and less administrative controls. So this was all from my side. Please stay connected to my channel for similar videos. Thank you.